बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful handmade crochet centerpieces ideas, crochet home decoration ideas. Guys, these are very pretty, these are very amazing, these are very stunning, these are very beautiful and very stunning crochet handmade collections for you guys. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Guys, these are very amazing, these are very unique and most incredible collections for you guys. So viewers, these are very amazing and very stunning handmade crochet ideas, and you guys also watch different kind of crochet decorations, and I hope so guys you enjoyed this video. These crochet decoration ideas are very amazing and very stunning, and I love it, and I hope so guys you also enjoyed these crochet patterns. You guys easily make these at homes, and if you don't know how to make these crochet, then you guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet patterns at home. These are very stunning, these are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very latest ideas for you guys. I hope so guys you enjoyed this video. These are very amazing, these are very stunning crochet decoration ideas, and you guys also watch different kind of videos on my channel, so you go on my channel and watch those videos. So I am glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well, and these are super incredible and very beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. If you want different kind of videos, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, hope so guys you enjoyed this video. These are very amazing, these are very stunning, and these are very pretty collections for you guys. So keep supporting my channel viewers, keep watching my videos. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very latest ideas for you guys. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.